can't help it. Like, they're gonna propose, and what are you gonna do? Say no? That was the goal. That's what I was trying to accomplish here. So thank you. Thank you very much. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Mercy. I'm an RN BSN, and on this channel I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about feminine hygiene. I do some home decor. I talk about natural hair, and I just do a little bit of everything. Today's video is going to be a feminine hygiene video. I'm going to be bringing you some amazing designer perfumes at a discounted price. I'm also going to be adding my special discount code for my viewers only to help you all purchase. It's the holiday again, it's time to buy gifts, and everybody is a little tight on cash. Well, this video is going to be helping you get right. Today's video is sponsored by Rebel Scents. Rebel Scents is actually a company that I've worked for before. I've done at least 1 or 2 videos with them. This is a company and a website that offers designer perfumes. They have something for women, they have something for men, and you can also shop how you like, if that makes sense. So what mood you're in, what season it is, what fragrances you like, what scents you like, they have it all, so you can customize it to your needs and to how you like it. Nothing completes your look quite like an amazing smile and a beautiful smell. I have 9 amazing designer perfumes that I'm going to be showing you. These were my picks, but you can pick and choose and mix and match and do everything you want on the website, and also use my discount code at their already discounted prices. All right, family, so the first perfume I'm going to be showing you today is The Only One by Dolce & Gabbana. I'm going to butcher some of the names. Please do not pay attention to that. Just pay attention to the smell and the beauty of the fragrances. I like to collect fragrances. I have a little tray that I usually, just set my fragrances or my perfumes on to display, and it makes me feel so feminine. It makes me feel so happy in the morning when I'm doing my morning routine and I see my beautiful perfumes sitting there. It makes me feel so feminine. So I like to collect them. I like beautiful looking perfume cases or bottles because they look good on your display. So this bottle is super cute, and like I said, this is The Only One by Dolce & Gabbana. I'm gonna leave all of the info on the perfumes here, and I'll also have all of the details on each and every perfume in my description box, plus the discount code, so do not forget to check that out. Let's go ahead and try this one. A pro tip I want to give you all is, as a female, there is nothing worse than wearing that beautiful dress and your hair is done right, your makeup is done right, and you go into a party and you have a stain on your dress. And this is not even because you were careless or you're just a dirty person. It's because of the way you're spraying your perfume. I'm gonna give you my little tip on how I do this. A lot of you already know this, but I'm gonna share this with you all. You never ever want to spray your perfume directly on your clothes. I don't care what you're wearing, but especially if you're wearing silk, oh my god, that's the worst. So what you want to do is you want to lift up your hair and go behind your ears, right? I go like this. Oh my god, this smells amazing. It smells so refreshing. Now, I don't know the exact descriptions on these perfumes, so again, I'll leave everything down below. I'm just gonna tell you what it smells like to me, okay? So this smells very refreshing. It has that bold but refreshing smell. It's not strong, but it's refreshing. You walk in and everybody turns around, they look at you and they're like, wow, she smells amazing. This is what this is giving me. So yeah, this is definitely one of my favorites. And like I said, all of these are my favorites. So I picked my favorites out of everything. They have tons and tons of perfumes on their website. So you can go there and choose the ones that you like. It doesn't have to be the ones that I'm showing you today. Choose the ones that you like and tailor it to your need. All right, moving on to number 2. The second perfume I want to show you all today is Burberry. This is a cute, very cute casing of perfume. It has the blush pink, and then the lid is also blush pink, and it has a tiny little bit of gold right here. The reason I love this is because of the smell. This again is not strong, it's not overpowering. To me, this would be kind of like a daytime perfume when you go to work or school, or a little brunch with your friend or your date. This is what this is giving me. I wanted to tell you also, the second place that I like to spray my perfumes is right here, right? So you go like this, and you go, oh my god, it smells so good. And you go like this, and then you rub it together. I don't know what it is about rubbing it together that makes it smell even better. Oh my God, I don't know. This has a more sweet smell, but it's also refreshing. This, the first one, not so sweet. This has a little bit of a sweet smell, but again, it's light, but it's strong enough that everybody's gonna know. They're gonna know you're wearing something nice and expensive. Moving on to number 3. So this is C by Giorgio Armani. Look at the casing on this. It kind of reminds me of this, but different, right? It has the same black and gold effect. This has a square lid, and this looks like a teardrop or something like that. This is really, really cute, and it smells so good. This to me is a nighttime date night perfume, all right? So when you go on a date, when you go to that baby shower, that wedding, that party, and you just wanna stand out, you wanna walk into the room and everybody turns around and says, oh my God, like, what is that? Like, what are you wearing? This is the perfume for that. It's a little strong, but not overpoweringly strong, if that's a word. You just need a little bit, like a tiny hint of it. Maybe here, here, or here and here, and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and try this on. So we're gonna go here again. Oh my God, I got my neck that time. That's okay because my top is black, so we don't worry about that too much. So this again is an amazing, amazing fragrance that is gonna turn head. And I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is SI, so I'm calling it C, or maybe it's just called SI. Correct me down in the comments if I'm wrong, but this is again by Giorgio Armani. Number 4 here is again one of my favorite. This one, I think I really like this one because of the casing. It's giving me rich best friend, and it's so cute. Look at the casing, y'all. It is so cute, especially this little big like diamond lid on it. I really, really like that. So this specific one is Snore by Versace. It is so beautiful, and let me tell you all, I'm gonna keep alternating. So I'm gonna go here and go here with every other perfume. All right, so let's spray that. Oh my God, whew, it smells so good, y'all, so good. This again is another date night perfume for me. This, I would take this with me if I went on a date or if I went out with my friends, just to be bougie. Because like I said, it's giving rich best friend, it's giving rich auntie, and it's just so cute. This is also gonna look cute on your display, or if you're one of those Instagram influencers and you want to do the little, you know, reels with the video and the slow motion perfume. This is really cute for that. All right, so moving on to number 5. This is number 5. Cute little bottle. I really, really like this. I'm gonna butcher the name of this, so I'm not even gonna try to say it. I'll leave all the details that you need to know. This to me is a daytime perfume as well. It's a little more powerful than some of the daytimes that I have already described, but this, it just, all right, so let's go ahead and try this. Let's go behind the ears. I'm gonna smell so good, but also so confusing when this video is over. Because I have multiple, oh my God. Ooh, this, all right, let's have a moment for this one. This one right here. If you go to the website and you don't know what to get, try to get one of these. I promise you, you'll thank me later. All right, family, so the next one we're gonna talk about here is, I'm gonna butcher the name, but I'm gonna try to say it. So I think this is Linocent. Jeez, this is hard. Okay, let me just put it up here. You guys can read it. Again, spell it in the comments how I should pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is so cute. Look at the casing. Look at this casing. So let's go ahead and try this. We're going back here. All right, spray that. Oh my God. If you're going on a date, right? You already have it on, put it in your bag. Now this is a big one, so I don't know if they have the smaller size. Maybe check it out, check the website. But if they have the smaller size, right? Put this in your pocketbook when you go to your date or, you know, your brunch or whatever. As soon as you get out of the car, go ahead and put this on either here or here just to refresh it. That's a pro tip I have. Again, when you leave your house, you're going somewhere, you already put your perfume on or your fragrance on. By the time you get there, sometimes it kind of dies down, like the smell kind of goes away a little bit. If you want to just like make everybody crazy, if you want to make everybody's head turn, when you get to the spot, when you get out of the car, go ahead and grab it, spray a little bit here, not a lot, a little bit here, a little bit here, or here, walk out of the car and walk in. I promise you, every single person's head is gonna turn. They're gonna look at you. It's gonna get people every single time. The next one here is a cute fragrance. This is very feminine. I like this a lot. And this is, I think it's Deleuze Nuclear by Johann Paris. All right. This is what it looks like. Cute little bottle. The casing is like an off-white creamy kind of look. It has the gold here. The shape itself is like squared. It's not super big, but it's not small either. And again, I don't know if they have smaller size. You'll have to investigate that for yourself. This one again smells really good. This is date night, you know, when you want to impress that guy or a friend or whoever you're meeting with. This is gonna do it. So again, we're gonna go behind the ears. We're gonna try this on. Oh my God. I smell like heaven. All right, family, so the last two I'm gonna be showing you all is by Rebel Scent themselves. So this is a website that sells designer perfume at a fraction of the retail price, right? But they also have their own fragrances that they themselves have designed. They designed the bottle, the fragrance, and all of that. And they also sell them at a discounted price or at a fraction of what you'll also get at the retail stores. So I have two of them that I want to show you. The first one I'm going to show you is Hicks by Rebel Scent. All right, this is a cute little bottle. I can fit this in my hand, which means I can fit it in my pocketbooks because my pocketbooks are usually, you know, big enough to fit, but not the big one, but something small like this I can fit. This too, oh my goodness. This smells absolutely amazing. It's not intimidating, but it grabs your attention. All right, so the next one I'm going to show you all is Dripping Gold by Rebel Scent, and this casing is so cute. Look at this. So the name is Dripping Gold, and the perfume itself looks like there's like gold dripping. So this is like a blush pink, and again, this is one of those cute little cases for your display. And not only that, it smells absolutely amazing. I already know what it smells like, but let's try it for you guys. Oh my God. This again is date night. Your date is not going to keep their hands off of you. They're going to fall in love with you and want to marry you within the first few minutes of meeting them. But take your time, get to know them. But wearing this, you can't help it. Like, they're going to propose. And what are you going to do? Say no? All right, family. So that is it for our perfume collection. And as I said, if I haven't said this 1,000 times enough, if you're confused, if you go to the website and you're confused on what to get one of these and you're not gonna regret it. However, they have an amazing collection that you can choose any kind. They have everything for everyone. And as I said, they also have a collection for men as well. Go ahead and head over to Rebel Scent. Tell them I sent you. Use my discount code, my personal discount code for my viewers only, and add it to your already discounted designer perfumes. As I said, I'm gonna have all of the details down in the description, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.